Okay, I've had several gadgets like this one over the years, but I think this one is the best. It's certainly proved the strongest, in my opinion. This is the Clipa Bag Hanger, and it comes in different finishes and different metallic colors like silver, bronze, copper, two shades of gold, I think, and this one, which I think is hematite. It also comes in black, which in retrospect is what I should have got because black goes with everything. But I'm pleased with this one. The branding is on the rubber cushion parts here, which are very securely glued in. This is a great gadget to chuck in your purse or just hang off a D-ring when you need it. And when would you need it? Well, the obvious reason is if you have a particular fancy bag that you don't want to set down anywhere potentially dirty, or you can just use this to hang off a table. But I have been most grateful for having this when I'm in public restrooms and there's no hook or clean space to put your bag. You can also use it to reduce any struggle with grocery bags slipping off your arm, or, just put together several bags with this thing. The design is minimalist, but this thing is strong. The spring-loaded clamp holds bags firmly. In addition to your bag, you could just clip it on your waistband or belt. It's compact, lightweight, and actually stays clipped where you put it, thanks to the cushions here that are a bit sticky. Not physically sticky, but they grab on. It's perfect for errands, travel, markets, or days when you're hauling more than you expected. So it's genuinely useful. Recommend.